Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a PrettyLittleThing haul. I have two massive bags full of clothing to show you guys. And PLT are having some amazing Black Friday sales on at the moment. So if you do like anything in this video, now is the time to get it, because I'm sure you might be able to get some deals. And even if you don't like anything in this video, go check out the PLT website, because I'm sure there'll be some stuff that you love on there, and they might be on sale or on offer and everything, and you can get it cheaper than normal. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with the video now, try on all the clothing. And this video is in partnership with PrettyLittleThing, but of course all opinions are my own and I love them anyway, and I always spend my own money, so yeah. Now the first item I have is this aviator coat. Now I love aviator coats. I have a black one and a red one, and they're just so snuggly and warm, and I just live in them in the winter. But I wanted to get one in a little bit of a different colour, so I thought I would get this, which is in a rusty browny red, and all inside it's look how warm that is. It's so soft and furry. The size of this, I got it in a size 8, but yeah, they're just the most warmest, snuggliest thing ever. And if you haven't got one, then you need to pick one up, because I'm obsessed. And they have these little belts and everything, and they do it in a few other colours. I've personally been eyeing up the cream one as well, but I thought I should probably just stick to one in this haul. Okay, another coat, because I'm slightly obsessed with coats. So this is a brown teddy coat. It's, yeah, love it. I have it in the black and the red already. There's a theme going on in this video, isn't it? Because I've got everything in multiple colours. But yeah, I've been eyeing up this one for ages, but it's never in stock in my size. So when I saw it was in stock, I had to pick it up. But yeah, it's a teddy coat, and it has these little 3 buttons and these pockets. And the size I got it in a UK 6, because it did look quite oversized on the model, so I thought I would go for a size down than I normally do, but you'll see what it looks like on. Okay, this is a bit of a joke present, to be honest. It is a reindeer onesie. I got it for my mum for Christmas because she loves things like this. So yeah, I'm not going to try it on because I feel like I would just be making a fool out of myself on YouTube if I did. But this is what it looks like, and it has this little tail thing, which is so cute, and then the head is a reindeer, and it's so soft inside. I'm kind of thinking I might steal it occasionally, but yeah, I got it in a size medium because I feel like onesies need to be really oversized and comfy. Okay, so this is just this grey kind of jumper. I've been loving grey this season, if I'm being honest. To be honest, I love grey every season, but this looked really nice on the website. It's quite simple, but I just think it looks really cool. So it has a roll neck, and then it goes down, and it has long sleeves and everything. I got it in a size small, but yeah, I think it looks really nice with just black jeans, blue jeans, any type of jeans. Next thing I got is this cute little bag. Look how cute it is. So it's this little snake print bag. It has these tortoiseshell handles. It does have a strap, I think. It should be inside, yeah. So it does have a strap, so you can wear it kind of crossbody. But I just thought it was so cute. I'm not sure how practical it is. Let me see if I can fit my phone in there. Right, I can fit my phone in there, so that is all good. And I've got the XS Max. I don't know what I've got. I'm so bad with phones. But yeah, it does fit your phone and purse and everything in there. But yeah, I just think it's so cute. Just hold it like that. So this is a creamy pinky blazer. But I just loved how it looked on the website. I love the little black buttons, and it has a tie around the waist and these little pockets. And I got this in a size 8. So these are just really casual tracksuit bottoms. I just wanted a few pairs to just kind of lounge around in the house in. And I really like the colour of this as well. So yeah, I got it in a size 8, in case you're wondering. And it does have the drawstrings, so you can kind of cinch in your waist, which is quite nice. And the bottom of them is cuffed as well. And then I also got them in the grey. So this is what the grey looks like. Again, just super comfortable, casual. They kind of go in at the bottom of them, and they have like the elasticized waist and the little like drawstring bits. And I got these in size small. But yeah, so this is like a brown midi skirt. It has these little like slits up the leg as well. I don't know, it just looked really nice on the website, so I thought I'll pick it up. It's in like quite a knitted thick material, so should be good for winter time, and I got it in a size 8. So I picked up this like sweatshirt. It just says California West Coast on it. Love the colour. It's in like the stony beige colour. I got it in a large because I wanted it to be quite oversized. However, I have a feeling it might be too oversized. It is like very big. So yeah, maybe I should have gone for the size medium. But yeah, you'll see what it looks like on. So I'm not sure how well this will fit, but I really like the sweatshirt, so I think even if it doesn't, I'll probably reorder it in like another size. Next up, we just have this is like a white satin shirt, really simple, but I just think they go with everything and it just looks really nice. I love the satin material. Definitely needs an iron, don't get me wrong, and I got this in a size small. But I think this would look really nice with like high-waisted blue mum jeans or something, and it's kind of thing you can wear like to work, or you can wear like out for an evening when you're going out, or just wear it really casual in the day. So there's lots of ways to wear it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you get anything from this haul, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!